Hi, good evening, friends. Today we are going to discuss listening part B. Myself, Shai B. Today I am going to deal with question number 5. Before that, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to God Almighty to give a wonderful opportunity to have a member of this group, and I'm thankful to Father Saleen Joseph, our mentor, and all Edu Skills family members. Thank you so much, everyone. We move to the question. You hear a part of a surgical team's briefing. The male surgeon suggests that the patient could. When we listen the question, we need to think male surgeon suggested something for the patient that will help, that is necessary and helpful for the patient during and after surgery.
Okay, next is Mr. Malloy's repeat laparotomy. Any anesthesia issues?
We don't expect any particular problems. He's relatively fit and well except for his epilepsy, which is under good control. His BMI is 35, but
Well, we need the obesity bed.
it shouldn't be an issue.
And what about the epilepsy post-separative management?
He's taking his oral medications, and we can use an IV if necessary.
I know he was in a lot of discomfort after his last surgery, and this time he's going to need a larger midline incision. It may be worth thinking about an epidural. He's certainly at the extremely low edge in terms of pain threshold.
When we listen the conversation, we hear the patient is epileptic and obese. In the female voice, it says it's not a major problem, so we can eliminate A and C because epilepsy can manage with oral medication as well as IV if necessary. So we can eliminate option C. Another thing is obesity bed, but female voice says it's not an issue, so we need to no need specialist equipment during surgery. We can eliminate option A also. The answer is B because male voice says last time patient had lot of discomfort and this time he needs larger midline incision. So definitely patient have too much pain, and epidural is necessary for the patient to reduce pain and discomfort. So we can select the answer is B. The patient could benefit from a specific anesthetic procedure. The synonym used is benefit, same as worth, and the specific anesthetic procedure is an epidural. I hope everybody understood how to select the answer option B. Thank you.